Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Live. Today in this video, we are going to design a simple model where I'll be using the SolidWorks extrude revolve sweep cut command. Already I have explained all this command. The link is given in the description box. If you want to study those videos, you can go and study. So this is the model that we are going to design in this video. You can see here. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. Here you can see the by default unit is millimeter gram second, so I'm not going to change it here. I need millimeter gram unit only. So let's click on the front plane and go for the sketch. Now I will select here line and I'll start the sketch like this. I'll come like this and I'll go like this. I'll go for the arc here, 3-point arc. So I will take an arc which is like this. In the same way, I'll be taking an arc over here which is like this. And just I will connect this and this. Go for OK. Let me keep this line vertical. Now I'll go for the dimensions and I'll be giving the dimension here. So I'll be giving the first dimension here having the radius 100. In the same way here I'll be giving the radius which is 150. Now I'll be giving the dimension from here to here. The overall dimension here I'll be giving which is 150. In the same way I'll be giving the dimension from here to here which is 120. Now the dimension between this center and this edge is 50. Now you can see your model is looking like this, and I need to give one more dimension. Click on this, hold shift key and click on this arc and click on this line and give the dimension here which is 60. Now I will just give here one relation, this point and this point having the relation horizontal. Now go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Just come out from the sketch, go for the command here extruded boss base, and I'll choose here mid plane. I'll be giving the extruded height which is 60. Click on this and go for the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now I will select this front plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane, and here I will do one thing. I'll go for the arc, draw here an arc which is like this, 3-point arc. This is the first point, this is the second point which is like this. Now I'll be giving the arc radius here which is 60. Like this. Now you can give the dimension this and this having the relation horizontal. Go with this OK. Now I'll be giving here one more relation, this and this. I'll be giving the relation here, this arc and this edge. Give the relation here tangent and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is looking like this. Now I will do here one thing. I'll just extend this like this sketch I will make here and just join this. Now you can see your sketch is like this. Come out from this. Now I will choose here front plane and go for the sketch. Click on the front plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. And I'll just do here one convert entities. Click on this edge and go for the convert entities. Come out from the sketch and go for the sweep cut tool. Click on the sweep cut. You can see here path is getting selected. Now I need to select the profile here and just we will do here one thing. And go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. I'll choose here top plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Now I will go for the sketch once again and I will take a line. I'll make the sketch which is like this and I will create a close sketch. Now I'll be giving the relation here, this and this point has to be horizontal. Go with the OK. And I'll be giving the dimension right now. You can see here the angle between this, having the angle between these two is 30 degree. And I will do here one thing. I'll draw one more center line from this point to this. And I will be giving the relation this, and this. I'll be giving the relation here symmetric. Now you can see still your sketch is not getting fully defined. So what I'll be doing, I'll be giving here one dimension from this point to this point, having the dimension which is 80. I'll be giving here dimension 80. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch, go for the extruded cut here. Now you can choose here this option also. Through all both, go with the OK. I'll select this face and I'll go for the sketch. I'll make it normal to the plane and I will just go for circle. I will draw here circle. I'll be drawing here two circles. This is for seconds, first and second, like this. And I need to go for the dimension, so I'll be giving the dimension. The outer one is having the diameter 50. I'll be giving there the diameter is 50. And the inner one having the diameter which is 30. I'll give the relation here, this point and this point having the relation vertical. Just go with the OK. And this circle and this edge having the relation tangent. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here both the circles are getting fully defined. I have drawn here both the circle at a time because I want to use the selection manager concept over here. So come out from the sketch. So here actually I thought to use the revolve command, but I am using here extrude command. So go for the extrude here. So from drop down menu, select the sketch. I'll go to the selection contour, clear selections, and I will choose this inner portions and I'll be extruding this up to 20. So give their extrude value which is 20 and just go with the OK. In the same way, once again I'll be going for the extrude and from here I will choose this sketch and come down here in selection contour. I'll be selecting this sketch, the outer one, and here I'll be using extruded from surface and here I will select this surface. Once again I'll be giving the extruded height which is 20. Now I will go for the fillet command. Go to the fillet and select here constant size fillet and click on this edge and give the fillet radius which is 5 and just go with the OK. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. Hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.